Imagine surviving something that kills most people instantly. Not once, but 7 times. Roy Sullivan was a park ranger in Virginia, and between 1942 and 1977, the sky struck him 7 different times. Lightning burned his hair, tore through his body, even set his hat on fire. Yet every time, he survived. People started calling him the human lightning rod, and some in his town grew uneasy, too afraid to stand near him in storms, worried the sky would come for him again. In the end, 7 strikes of lightning couldn't take him, and that's why his story still sparks today.